Shandong Hongniu Laser Equipment Company Limited, established in 2018, is a professional trading company engaged in sales and service of fiber laser cutting machine and plasma cutting machine. Our company is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, which has favorable economic, technological condition, and convenient transportation. As a responsible supplier, we always focus on quality and customer satisfaction. We offer fiber laser cutting machine from 1,000 watts to 20,000 watts, whose length up to 16,000 mm and width up to 4,000 mm. Our related factory, Jinan Upbull Machinery Equipment Company Limited, is covering 25,000 square meters and owning advanced automatic production equipment. We have excellent management team, experienced technicians, and professional sales. In addition, our products have passed ISO 9001, CE certificates, and have high reputation in both China and all around the world. Our products are exported to many countries and regions, such as Asia, South America, and Middle East. To meet clients' requests, OEM and ODM orders are available. Our goal is to develop long-term relationships with worldwide clients by delivering expert service and professional advice. We aim to offer high value to our customers by providing the unique and best cost-performance products. We warmly welcome friends from all over the world to choose and cooperate with us.